Hi, I'm attorney Dave Buckley. In every motor vehicle accident, there are two elements to it. There is the personal injury side, which is self explanatory, that's where someone gets hurt. And there's the property damage side, that's the harm or the damage that's been caused to the vehicle itself, the motorcycle, the bicycle, the car. Um, and determining what the value is left up to the insurance adjuster. What is it going to cost to fix your car? And a lot of times there's not much you can do about arguing about what it's going to cost to fix your car. The auto body charges what the auto body charges, the parts cost what the parts cost. But it's when the car is totaled or the motorcycle is totaled that there can be some discrepancy as to value. And a lot of times people feel as though they're stuck with what the adjuster says the car is worth. But that isn't necessarily so. Personal injury attorneys don't usually get involved in arguing over what the value of a total loss is on property damage. That's usually left up to the, own, the owner of the vehicle to argue. But there are some things you can do. Okay, the insurance adjuster uses a book called NADA. It's not Edmunds, it's not Kelley Blue Book, it's NADA. And it's a professional version. It costs a lot of money to subscribe to that on a yearly basis. But you can access the same consumer version online, NADA. And what you want to do, if you are arguing over the value of the car, you want to do several things. And this is assuming you feel your car is worth more than what the adjuster is offering you. You're going to go online. You're going to plug in all the information on the NADA website about your car, the year, the make, the model, the extras that it has, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, whatever the situation is. You're going to add in all the extras that it has. And NADA will give a value. And then the other thing you're going to do is you're going to go online or look in the newspaper for a dealer who is selling your car, or a car that, of course, is similar to yours. If you have a Toyota Corolla, if you have a 2015 Toyota Corolla, you're going to go see what the local Toyota dealership is selling that used car for. And you can use those numbers with the adjuster and say, hey, look, my NADA version of the valuation is X. I compared that to what the local Toyota dealership is selling a car that's just like mine for, and they're pretty similar. And it's $500 more than what you're offering me, or it's $750 more than what you're offering me. And that can be persuasive. It can be. I've seen that work over and over and over again. So long as your numbers are reasonable. If you're asking for $3,000 more than what they're offering, they're not really going to come up that high. But if it's a matter of $500, $750, and you can substantiate that through your own due diligence, a lot of times that will be persuasive. If you've just had brand new tires put on, right? So if you just a month ago paid $800 for tires, did the adjuster account for that? If you just had mechanical work done to it, a muffler put on it, or a water pump replaced, within a short period of time from the accident, a month or two, that can be compensated for. So there are a few things you can do. Not a lot of wiggle room that the adjuster will really move on, but when you have documentation like that, it can work. It can work. I hope that works.